Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to announce new job on LinkedIn. Open your LinkedIn app. Go to your profile picture at the top left hand corner and tap on it. Tap on view profile option at here and then tap on the pencil icon right next to your profile picture. Scroll down and you are able to see an option that says current position. Then tap on add new position and go ahead and type employment in your title. You can also add your company's name, location and other information on this page. You can also write in a short description about your new job and add your new skills and medias, and finally tap on the save button at the bottom right corner in order to announce a new job on your LinkedIn account. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.